Robert F. Kennedy Jr., President Donald Trump's controversial pick to lead the Department of Health and Human Services, is on Capitol Hill today for his confirmation hearing. It comes a day after his cousin called him a predator and urged senators to reject his nomination. Natalie Brand has more from Capitol Hill.
Before a packed hearing room, Robert F. Kennedy Jr. took his seat before lawmakers hoping to serve as President Trump's Secretary of Health and Human Services.
News reports have claimed that I'm anti-vaccine or anti-industry. I am neither. I am pro-safety.
As one of Trump's most controversial cabinet picks, Democrats raised concern about his past comments on vaccine skepticism.
Mr. Kennedy has embraced conspiracy theories, quacks, charlatans, especially when it comes to the safety and efficacy of vaccines.
But Republicans praised him, saying Kennedy represents an opportunity to improve the nation's health system.
Your commitment to combating chronic conditions that drive health care costs will be critical to our success.
The hearing comes a day after Kennedy's cousin, Caroline Kennedy, released a scathing letter to lawmakers urging them to reject his nomination.
Bobby himself is a predator. Bobby preys on the desperation of parents of sick children, vaccinating his own kids while building a following hypocritically discouraging other parents from vaccinating theirs.
Ahead of the hearing, dozens of people lined up to try to get a seat inside. That includes doctors and nurses from out of state, both firm supporters and staunch opponents.
His vaccine skepticism will cause people to not get their children immunized, which will further increase disease in children.
I'm very, very, very excited about ending the chronic disease epidemic for children and adults in our country.
Kennedy's confirmation process continues tomorrow before the Senate Health Committee.
The New York Post published an editorial on Monday urging senators to vote against Kennedy, writing he, quote, doesn't want to restore trust.